What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be unboxing some free samples. The company is called PinchMe. It's basically a subscription service that you can sign up for completely free. They don't need your card information, they don't need any money information, so they're not going to take any of your money. It's completely free, and they send you free samples every month. And yeah, who doesn't like free? Who doesn't like samples? Do you like samples?
I don't know.
She loves samples. Every time we go to Costco, she always gets samples. You can talk.
I love candy and Oreos. I hope there's some in there. My favorite candy is Skittles and Sour Patch Kids. Comment down below if you like those.
Yeah, so the company is called PinchMe. You sign up online, pinchme.com. I'm gonna have all the links down below. But basically you sign up, they give you a survey just to get to know you a little bit better, just to see what kind of samples that they should put in your box. So they ask you questions about yourself, but yeah, the samples range from pets to hair care to skin care. So there's a huge array of different products that you can get. So that's why they want you to take the survey online to see what they can put in your box, because you don't want a bunch of random samples in your box, right? So all you gotta do is sign up online, pinchme.com, and like I said, completely free, and you get samples. So Sample Tuesday is when you go online, and it's basically a first come first serve kind of thing. So you're not guaranteed a sample box every month, but if you go online I think it's every second Tuesday of the month, you go online, you claim your samples, and yeah, you get a sample box in the mail for free. So like I said, I've been waiting like 2 months to open this box on camera. It's been sitting on my dresser, so I'm finally going to open it. So we're gonna open it on camera. Go ahead, get it.
Here it is.
So this is what the box looks like. I'm gonna cover my address, but it comes in a little box like this. And this box in particular is their blogger box. So the samples in here aren't necessarily what you're gonna get for this upcoming month or whatever, because it's not that I get more samples, is that they're giving me samples from previous months, future months, and what you guys would get like in the present months. So we're gonna open them now. And I know some snacks come in here, and because I have braces and my teeth are really sore, like I can't even eat like oatmeal without my teeth hurting because I just got my wires changed. I'm gonna have Mia try out the samples and let you guys know what. And Mia's been dying to be on camera. So okay, so here's what the box looks like.
It's a heart.
Has a heart, has the social media handles right there. And yeah, it says try products from leading brands for free. Pinchme.com. So this is the first time I'm opening this, just to let you guys know. So it has a little postcard. It says become a pincher, complete your member profile and tell us more about yourself. We'll match you with products relevant to your lifestyle. So that's what you fill out the survey and tell them a little details about yourself. Number 2, choose your samples. On Sample Tuesday, choose samples to add to your PinchMe box. No credit card required. So completely free. All they ask of you is to give your opinion of the products online. So yeah, number 3, give us feedback. Try the products for free. In exchange, we ask for some of your time and plenty of your opinions, but it's for free. So.
And I got this bracelet. It has very many sides.
It's a charm bracelet.
Yeah, a charm bracelet. And one in Hawaii, she gave it to me. She's in
Myra.
Myra.
Say hi, Myra.
Hi, Myra.
All right, so I'm really hot. Don't ask me why I'm wearing a beanie. It's because I'm wearing a wig and I didn't lay it down and I'm covering the hairline. So And it's red for Christmas, which December 1st is tomorrow. What better reason?
Christmas tomorrow?
No, December 1st is tomorrow. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the box. So you wanna pull out the first thing? Pull it out. So, first we have Biore charcoal, great for oily skin.
Ew.
I have oily skin, so this is perfect. And I've never tried this before. Charcoal cleansing micellar water. Removes makeup, deep cleanse pores, and refreshes. So, I use a toner, so I wonder if this is kind of like the same thing. Cleansing water. No need to rinse oil-free. So I'm definitely gonna try this because anything for oily skin, I'm a fan of. What is it?
Something for your bottom and your foot.
So it's Compeed blister cushions. So you put them on the back of your heel. Like this, it's an array of different samples and different brands. So yeah, it's pretty random, but you never know when I'm gonna need these.
Because you do have...
I don't have any blisters.
Remember in Hawaii you did? Like you always get one?
Oh yeah, sometimes I would get blisters in Hawaii when I would walk a lot, but I don't really walk here, so. So we got some blister cushions. What's next?
Okay.
Dove exfoliating body polish. Crushed macadamia and rice milk.
Ugh.
Ew.
Disgusting.
Who doesn't love some moisturized skin?
I want to...
Why is it disgusting?
Disgusting.
Yeah, so basically it's a Dove exfoliating body polish by exfoliating and restoring skin's natural nutrients. I love trying new lotions and things like that, so this is perfect. What's next?
Have this.
Coffee. Yes, please. 1850. Well, this is a sample or is this a K-cup? Because I don't have a Keurig. I think it's just a sample. I think it's just, oh, it is a Keurig. So it says Keurig right there, but I drink coffee every single morning, so this is gonna be perfect. But I'm just gonna pop it open and like pour it in my filter so I can still use it. But coffee samples. And this one's a, oh, okay, so I got 2 coffee samples. One's a light roast and one's a medium dark roast. So definitely going to be using these.
I have this brown bag.
What is it? What is it? Read it. It's nut butter. Peanut butter.
Can I have some?
No, I'm not gonna open it right now. Yeah, so we have a sample of peanut butter, the RX nut butter. I haven't tried this brand before. I usually just get like Jiffy, whatever it's called. But yeah, definitely gonna try this out. I usually put it in like my shakes and stuff. So this is perfect. Oh, we got another one. Let me see. Can I see? This one's an almond butter sample, and it's pretty full. This package is pretty full. So there's a lot of product in here. What's next?
It's a face mask. It's gray.
It's a charcoal, what is it? Biore charcoal self-heating 1-minute mask. Purifies pores 2.5 times better. So it's a self-heating charcoal mask. And I love face masks, so definitely gonna try. I'm definitely gonna use all of these samples that they gave me. I don't know when I'm gonna use the blister pads, but it's better to have them than not have them, right? So these are Organic India tea samples. One for immunity and one for Thrive. I don't drink tea that often, but I like drinking hot tea. Like I have a lot of hot tea bags in my kitchen, but I usually drink coffee in the morning, but I don't really drink tea. But when I do drink tea, I drink like chamomile tea or like a calm tea when I'm just like in need of relaxation. And the immunity one is definitely gonna come in handy because this baby is taking all my vitamins and minerals away from me. So it's going to help. And the Thrive, the balanced energy and support one, I need energy. Okay, What's the last thing in here?
Well, I have some brown rice.
Some, what is it called? Can you read it?
Where is it? Seeds.
Seeds
Of Canada.
From Canada? Seeds of Canada? What does CH make? What sound does CH make? No, that's TH. What is CH? Change.
Change.
So we have some seeds of change, quinoa and brown rice. I was not gonna ask her to sound out quinoa. This is actually a full size because I've actually tried this one already and it's really good. I'm kind of sick of it though because we buy the packs from Costco, like the 7 packs from Costco, whatever. And we were eating it almost every day for a few weeks. So I kind of got sick of it, but if you haven't tried this out, this is the packet you just put inside of the microwave for 90 seconds and instant rice, but it's really good. This flavor is really good. So yeah, that's the last of the samples.
No, we have things that you can really eat. It's hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
You know you're picking that up, right?
No.
And you got it all over me.
Bye.
Anyways.
You had to pick it up.
You have to pick it up.
You have to.
Anyways, so yeah, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of samples, free, like I'm gonna tell you again, free samples that you can get in the mail if you just go on PinchMe.com and sign up. So yeah, I thought I'd just let you guys know about this company because I'm not trying to take your money, they're not trying to take your money. So they're just trying to take a little bit of time from you to fill out a survey. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Yeah. Comment down below. I'll give you 5 seconds.
Oh, Mia lost her first tooth a couple days ago. Oh my gosh, don't get so close. They don't want to see all inside your throat. Alright you guys, so that's about it I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.
Bye.